Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to invert max. I will open example image, and if you want to apply max, you can click at these icons in the bottom right. So to be create new max. To invert this max, you can go to image, adjustments, and then click invert. But first, for example, I will create for the max, like I will select at this option. We can change color into black, like this. It will be automatically erase, and it be show in max for this eraser. You can see this is for the layer max. To invert, you can go to image, click on adjustment, and then click invert. So it will be automatically select for the eraser or selected max. To invert again, you can click image, go to adjustments, and then click on invert. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to invert max. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.